So hello everyone, today in this video we are going to check that how you can make money online from Shopify dropshipping. So Shopify dropshipping is one of the best internationally and boosted sale Shopify market. Start selling to anyone on the internet, all from single store. So how to make money on Shopify plans and pricing. There are a few steps you should have to follow. Start up an e-commerce store, set up dropshipping business, become an affiliate, monetize your social media, display and describe your products clearly, do market research, offer great customer services. These are the 8 steps you should follow. So if you look down, many people ask about that. How much does Shopify make? So dropshipper, there are many dropshipper who make $10,000 to $1 lakh per year with a successful dropshipping store. So if your idea of being successful dropshipper is to make $1 lakh per year, you will need to choose the right supplier and build a brand. So profit potential, how much profit you can expect make from your idea per year. Sell your photos, business type product based, print on demand business product type based. These two are the essential main points. So teach online classes, sell food waste, recommend your favorite products, rent your unused space, sell your services, product industry specific skill. So how do I get paid from dropship? You make money from dropshipping by adding a profit. Adding the merchant will give you their total price. Add whatever you like as your profit earning. So basically, Shopify gives you $1 lakh per year. So is there any successful dropshipper? Yes, dropshipping successfully story Tez Henning made $90,000 profit in over 2 months. Collerton made 2 million in just 1 year. And there are also some Andres Gagnon and Alexander Peka, the 10 million per year mark. Sarah and Audrey 1 million in sales through influencer marketing. Add value, focus on marketing and SEO specialization.